3 steps I use for sketching with a pen. First, light pressure. Use light pressure to figure out what you want to draw. Sometimes you already have a good and clear idea of what you want to sketch, so go with that idea, but still using light pressure. So once you figure out what you want to draw, go to the next step. Second step, add weight. Add weight to your light pressure drawing so that your main illustration become more and more visible. The more you go with your drawing, the more pressure you add and the more visible it will become. Last step, step 3, add shadow. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, add shadow with your favorite style so that you can convey the proper charisma for your sketch and bring out the proper ambience. And voila! Tell me in the comment what you think and your methods for sketching with a pen. See you next!